Minister Eman for coming to join us here at the YMCA in San Nicolas, opening our first beach tennis court in San Nicolas. So we're very happy to have it on the premises of the YMCA on our Kiwanis Palm Beach fitness court. So this makes it more complete. We can have the children during the summer vacation enjoying it even more and see lots of activity here at the YMCA in San Nicolas. I would like to thank first of all also the organization for having us here and making it possible for the children of San Nicolas to enjoy this beautiful facility here.
It is a great pleasure to be part of this important moment in the expansion of the activities on the YMCA premises. I would like to congratulate the YMCA for this initiative and especially also the youth that made it possible. So thank you very much. Hand of applause. This type of initiative in the community that we are going to create more recreation opportunity, more sports opportunities for our citizens. The government working together with the civic society, community organizations such as the YMCA really make a difference. So we are very proud to have a strong YMCA in Aruba, count on the support of the government and all of the other partners that helped make this possible. We thank you from the bottom of our heart. Bon trabalho, we say.
Mashidaki.